Hey, how's it going? We got a quick little repair video on how to repair a 12-volt motor on a drill in this particular case, where it's motor smoking, throwing sparks. Um, Problem lies in the brushes. So, anyways, here we go. I got this all loose already. I'll pull this back off. Pull the brush leads off. Got two brushes here. Pop one out. Pop the other out. Put the battery off so we don't get shocked. I already cleaned everything. Kind of shortened the video, but down in here the brush is right on this the shaft here. I think it's called a commutator. And you got your windings inside. Usually the shaft commutator is harder than the carbon brush tips. So as the brushes wear down, they will contaminate inside the motor, all the windings. Use electrical parts cleaner, clean all that up. Use compressed air, blow that out. And usually these are, well, this one was so worn down it had a groove that it wasn't making contact on a commutator, so it was throwing sparks, causing the motor to overheat. I took a filed them down flat. Both of them. And here you see a little groove in there, because when I put them back in the drill, I let the commutator make its new groove. It sparked like crazy, but then after a few seconds it made its seats and the sparks went away and the drill is like brand new. So that's that. Reassemble, it's the reverse process. Slip these back in here. One side, flip the other. I got this backwards. It's in there good. So it's back. Put your contacts back on. Battery back in. Little sparks are normal. And there you have it. The cap back on and you're done. You don't need to buy a new drill. or brushes. If the brushes are 1/4 inch or less, then you need to buy new brushes. But there you have it.